When my artist YouTube channel grew from about 100 subscribers to over 7,000 subscribers within the space of 90 days, I got calls from friends asking me, how did you do it? Show me, which I gladly obliged. So if you are asking the same question, you want to know how to grow your channel, or you want to start a channel for yourself or your business from scratch and you want to come correct, this video is for you. Now, before I had this success, I've been on YouTube for like 7 years, and this was not even the first YouTube channel that I started. So I was just doing trial and error. I was quite ignorant, which is beautiful because it helped me to learn. However, you don't need to waste that much time. And even now, in this age of AI, there are a lot of other features that makes new YouTubers get monetized within days. To start, you need to set up your YouTube channel for success. I'm not saying just to set it up, but set it up for success. So what I did was I watched some YouTube video tutorials which showed me how to set up my YouTube channel, change the settings, customize it. That was one of the things that helped me. So we're going to start from there. When I first shot this video, it was too long. I decided to break it down into 5 different parts. This one will focus on helping you set up and customize your channel. So, how do you get a YouTube channel? If you own a Gmail account, you already have a YouTube account by default because YouTube is owned by a company named Google, which you might already know as a search engine. So if you own a Gmail account, you have a default Google account that you still need to set up. But if you do not own a Gmail account, don't worry, you can sign up for free. Just type in gmail.com and follow the prompts to sign up. Now that you've signed up, if you're on desktop, just click on the profile icon, go down to settings, and then click on set up a YouTube channel. If you already have a YouTube channel and you want to create another one, you will see add YouTube channel. So one Gmail account, you can use it to create so many YouTube channels. But if you are using a phone, you can change your phone to desktop site so that you can do the same thing that somebody is doing on their laptop or desktop. But not to worry, YouTube even created a new app which you can download and use to set up easily called the YouTube Studio. You're going to be needing that YouTube Studio, trust me. So you can as well go ahead and download it from App Store or Play Store. Let's go ahead and set up our YouTube channel for success. So first step, get a name for your YouTube channel. In recent times, the best practices has been to use your personal name. That is why you see a lot of people changing the names of their channel to their personal name. But that doesn't mean you can't use a business name. You can use a business name. You can even use a keyword that is connected to what you want to create videos about and attach it to your name. For example, grow with peace. I want to talk about growing your channel, growing in other areas, okay? So it's up to you to use what you want. So once the name is sorted, the next thing is the username. Now the username, there's a default one that comes with the channel as well. Sometimes it will have numbers and have all these letters. You want to reduce all those ones that you don't need and leave only your name, or you can tweak your name any way you want. Sometimes if you're using a generic name, it might not be available, so you have to change it to what is available. So make sure you set up your username to what is easily recognizable. And after you do that, beautiful, you have a YouTube channel. The next step is to customize your YouTube channel. Now, when you customize your YouTube channel, it has a face. It's like an office. It's like the interior decoration. Now, what you need is a banner. You need a profile picture. You need a YouTube description. Now, let's talk about the YouTube description. This one is very, very, very important. When you get it right here, trust me, 50% of the work is done. Now, usually, I would ask you a couple of questions, which was what I did. I asked myself a couple questions. I'm going to give you the steps to answer those questions. The number one question is, why do you want to create videos on YouTube? Let's talk about it. Because I've heard a lot of people say things like, I want to talk about my story. I've been through a lot, or I've gained a lot. I want to share my story. And then I also hear some people say, nobody wants to hear your story. I am not going to believe that 100% because the difference is why do you want to tell your story? If you want to tell your story to inspire somebody, trust me, we need your stories. In fact, stories are the way to go. You are here because you're listening to my story, right? How I won, right? But I'm going to also share the lessons and some of the losses too. That is a story. So if it is to inspire somebody, beautiful, please go ahead and tell your story. But whatever it is, if it is to teach somebody something or to, do like a review, whatever, you have to be very clear on why you want to create videos on YouTube. Now, the next question is, who do you want to watch your video? It's funny, but you're going to train, by the time you set up your YouTube, you're going to train YouTube to connect you to the person. And I'm not talking about a million people. I'm talking about one person. It's time to define that one person. Marketers call it the customer avatar. Describe the one person that you want to reach out on YouTube. Is it a younger version of yourself that you want to show what it takes to get to where you are so that they can learn or they can get inspired? Is it somebody that is going to benefit from the business that you're talking about? Or is it somebody that wants to buy something that you're doing a review for? You have to be clear. You have to mention the characteristics. For example, I'm a mother right now. If I want to create something for mothers so that they can make money from home, so that they can stay around, cook, and see their children, I could even have an age, age range for them. I could even go I could even narrow it down to their religion. I want to reach out to Christians. I could even narrow it down to Black women. Until you have that specific person, you will not be able to craft the message to touch that person, because trust me, you want to grow, and growth on YouTube means getting subscribers. Growth on YouTube means getting likes, getting views, getting engagement. So how are you going to connect with somebody if you don't even know who you want to reach out to? When you answer these questions, you'll be able to get a one sentence, which is your YouTube description. The main YouTube description does not have to be too long. And what is the content of this statement? I want to create videos about this for this. So, your value and for whom. Once that is done, of course, your raw idea, you can give it to any of these AI apps such as ChatGPT to help you refine it. I'll recommend ChatGPT, I'll recommend Grammarly. But whether you give it to these people or not, just your heartfelt description with your own English, with your own composition is good to go. All right. Now let's customize. Okay. Now when you click on this, view your channel, you're going to see how it looks. So you can just click on customize, or you could just go to YouTube Studio directly, whether on mobile or on desktop, and start to customize. So the first thing that they will show you there is the layout, which you might leave for now. Okay, leave the layout, just go straight to basic info. No, go to branding. You can leave the layout to come back to that later. Branding, put your profile picture or the logo of your company, or even if you want to use a logo for yourself, that's fine. Put your picture, then put your banner. How do you get a banner? You can go to Canva. I'm going to talk about your tools later. You can go to Canva, type YouTube banner. It's going to give you some templates. You can just edit those templates and upload. So put your banner. Now for this particular one that is watermark, you can skip it for now. Otherwise, you can upload a watermark which you can still create on Canva with something like subscribe or YouTube logo or maybe a thumbs up sign, so that it will show and help people to engage with your video. But like I said, it's not really the important thing. So once you put your profile picture, banner, then come down, make sure you add a contact. If you want, you can put your social media, but always add a contact. In fact, add your email. Now, when I had 100 subscribers, I was contacted by a company with my email on my YouTube channel. They reached out to me and they said they were looking for musicians and they were looking for singers specifically that would use their microphone. And that microphone is almost 400 USD. They gave that microphone to me free of charge, and that's the mic I'm using right now. It's better than the one I even bought. All I needed to do was use their mic in my own song, send the link of my song to them, which they promoted because they brought people to my YouTube channel to watch the video. That is the power of contact. So add your contact here so that they can reach out to you. Now that we are done with this part, let's go to, you can look at it, see? Now when someone comes to your YouTube channel, it looks like something is going on here. The next part is to go to settings. So when you go to settings, you see general. So the default here is USD. Let me check. Nigerian, I can see Nigerian Naira. You can check for your country. But I mean United States, so I'll leave it at USD dollar. The next menu is channel. Now you see under this channel, you have basic info. Put your country of residence. It helps. So make sure you put it. Then for keywords, put the keywords on your niche. For example, I'm teaching YouTube strategy, I'm teaching YouTube growth, I will add all those ones here. You separate it by comma. When you add a keyword, you separate it by comma. This will help when people are searching for this kind of video. So this is how you train the YouTube software to suggest your videos to people that are looking for them. So don't miss out on these keywords. You have 500 characters. So make sure you enter as much as you want. So let's move on to the next one, advanced settings. So these advanced settings, if you like, you can just choose if your video is made for kids or not made for kids. You can just choose one so that once your video is uploaded, it will save you time when you're uploading your videos. Or if you want to be reviewing the setting for every video, you can choose that one too. But my channel is not for kids, so I leave it at no. So this feature eligibility, you might need to use, they will ask you to put your phone number, they will send you a code to confirm and make you eligible. All right, so that's on channel. Then the next one is upload defaults. This one, just, you don't have to add title. It's description. I'm going to teach you so much more later. Under this description, you can add links. You can add stuff that you want to be there, like if you have a store, if you have an affiliate link, if you have some defaults that you want people to always click on. For example, you have a mailing list. See, I'm going to show you how to start growing your mailing list from the beginning. All right, you can add it here so that when you upload your video, all you have to do is add the title and a little bit. Your description is already populated beforehand. All right, now for visibility, you can set public so that it will be on default public. Do you know that some people upload videos and it's on private and they don't even know? And they don't have views. It's only their views that counts. Anyway, that is not your portion. After that, look at tags. For tags, you use hashtag. You will add hash before you add the keyword. So that these tags will be inside all your videos. If you see where they are, there is a place for tags. But if you put it as default here, it will be inside your videos. And the reason why I'm creating a second YouTube channel is because to grow on YouTube, it's good for you to have uniform videos in your channel. So when you create all these tags for your videos, it's easy. You're just uploading something that is uniform. It's like in that my music channel, if I start teaching YouTube, it will be confusing. It's better for me to create a new one where I'm just teaching YouTube, teaching how to, like this is educational. So I can easily add tags like how to, I can add education, I can add tags here, and it will be consistent with every video that I post. So the next thing is advanced settings. So for this advanced settings, what you want to do is the video language. You want to select the video language. You want to select the title and description language. So mine is English. I'll upload English. Okay, so I think these are the ones that I would encourage you to set up for now. Now, your YouTube channel is not just set up, it is set up for success. Now, I'm all about growth in this channel, and I realized something about growth. Sometimes growth is not obvious. Sometimes it's downwards. When you have deep roots, when you start growing, you keep growing. What you just did now is you're setting up your YouTube channel for success. So in the background, what is happening? I mean, I did that for my channel, and that's why you found me. Look at me, I'm teaching you how to create YouTube in 2024. There are like millions of channels doing that, but you found me. So I really, really appreciate you for being here. If you have specific questions, I want you to leave a comment. And the next video I'll be sharing with you will be about the apps and the tools you will need to make YouTube content creation seamless for you. See you in the next video. Thank you.